Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. Really hard to remove. So this liquid lipstick, you know that it's gonna be super duper long lasting, okay? That it's gonna stick to your lips and never gonna want to remove. Oh my gosh. It is super stay. Alright. Hello everybody. Welcome back to my video. Today, something has arrived. Okay, not really arrived. But today, I woke up super early. I put on makeup super early. I went out the door super early, and I went to Summit Pyramid, and I was at Guardian super early just so that I can actually do this collaboration. So sometime back, one of you guys actually commented on one of my videos. I don't know which video already, but you guys commented, not really you guys, you commented, that's one person only, okay, asking me if I could do like a review of the new Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. I think I kind of reply back to you and say that I'll see what I can do. I contacted Guardian and I asked if they are willing to kind of collaborate with me on this and kind of help me to get a bunch of these. Basically, this is all of it, the entire collection of it. Managed to get not one, but 2 sets of these! So which means that I'm able to do a giveaway. So stay tuned to the end of this video if you want to know how you can win yourself a whole bunch of this liquid lipsticks. I don't know if you consider this as liquid lipsticks or not. Coincidentally, today is International Lipstick Day. I would assume this is considered within that range as well. I think it's great. Coincidentally, I also have liquid lipsticks to give away. Yes! And also, if you don't know, certain Guardian outlets actually do have this like beauty kind of counter where they pretty much have specific people to go and help you if you need help with your makeup, or if you don't know what kind of makeup to use, or you don't know what to choose. They have specific people there to help you with, and they also can test it out on your face. They also can help you to choose the right foundation shade, you know, help you with your brows, teach you how to do your brows and things like that. I just love this kind of concept. Just in general, if you're selling beauty stuff and you have like specific beauty counter where people can consult, I think that's great. That is fantastic because not everybody is expert in makeup and not everybody is expert in skincare. Everything is at an affordable price. A lot of time if they do not have that 50% off also, or buy one free one, most of the time they do have special promotion that goes up to like 20-30% off depending on the product itself. I'm definitely going off topic, but Guardian definitely have stepped up their game this year with their knockdown price, their campaigns like in general. It's just great for consumers. I have 8 shades. I believe this is all their shades. I believe this is all the new launch shades. They have from the lightest to the darkest, so I'm gonna swatch all of it today. Oh my gosh, can you see how beautiful they are? Let's just start with the packaging. I love the packaging. It's very just simple, sleek, and you can tell what color it is just through the packaging itself. Made in the USA. Oh, it smells so nice. Vanilla chocolatey scent. Oh, nice. I actually really like this kind of doe foot applicator because not only it has like that sharp end that is fantastic, it also has that like little hole in the center, so it kind of picks up more product without you needing to keep going back in to pick up the extra product. They really thought through it, and it's sharp. That is the great part. It's actually quite sharp.
Liebe belövi, när jag vore before. Stiba an till a moon, jag kan hyfla twelve. To liebe be deeply, med vad du ser korrekt. Jag kan smybolla växli, jag bör smyfa på brex. Jag don't believe who not bliss me, för styr predispador. Sångsten he blir hers, jag blickar dags och liv, jag dör när jag bara banar. Gives a very banal six. Pravu been texting on vår stiv. Pravu been människor när bliv. Jag tror jag sover weeks before. Jag grams för oss bildes på liv. Jag walked as a moon. Lunches of a sea bleed. On boogie jag var vi. Just now they were fleeing. Pravu been texting on vår stiv. Pravu been människor när ever once blieb, maybe once blieb zeg. Aber tikstas jo beroen, die bij woe blue cat. Besweebe voor die blieb, maybe sister corrects. De planet tiks in oboe, lieb. Dan bleef hun ablis, maybe stiep kritis bado. Songsten he blie hers, ja blicka, darkste lieb, ja do, nou ja arriba no. Yes, I've arriba no. Have you been texting on Steve? Oh, have you been messing na bleep? Yeah, though you're sober weeks before. Oh, yeah, grams for us, be let's believe. Songsten he blir hört jag blickar dags till liv jag dör när jag börjar nå. Oh, leaves jag börjar nå. 6 Grab been texting on the steel.
Finally, I've done all of the swatches. It took me so long just to get through all of this liquid lipstick. It's crazy. It was just really hard to remove. It really just shows how lasting this could potentially be. I mean, even with oil, it's not as easy as just, you know, massaging it and then it will just comes off and it will just melt off. It doesn't work that way. I can see this being a super extremely long lasting liquid lipstick, which is gonna be fantastic for people who love long lasting, extremely long lasting lipsticks or lip products. I really thank God that this one doesn't dry off so fast, which means that once you apply it on, I still have some time to be able to maneuver it before it really completely sets. Once it's set, right, you really can't do anything about it really. You cannot really change much of how it looks really. So this one, it gives you some buffer time before it sets and before it dries. So that's actually really good for people like me, people who are not really good at applying liquid lipstick. And also what I really like is also the doe foot applicator is quite amazing. The doe foot applicator it has a hole in the middle, and because of that hole in the middle, it kind of scoops out a bit more product, and because of that also, I don't really need to do double layer. I don't need to dip it in to apply it a second layer. Other than this one particular color, this purple color, everything else I only did one layer. But this purple color though, I don't know why. The rest are very smooth, very pigmented, not patchy, easier to apply as compared to other liquid lipsticks. But this purple one is actually quite patchy. I don't know why, don't know what's with the formula in here, or don't know is it the pigment. It just is patchy for me, and it was very hard for me to apply, and I just don't like this purple. I don't know what's with this purple. But the rest of it, the rest of the other 7 is amazing. I love the colors, I love how they look. The head of this is so flexible, I get to move it around easily. Once it dries, it kind of sticks but not super sticky, and it kind of dries off super matte, and it looks super gorgeous. I like it, it's so beautiful. The colors all are very nice. The first 2 shades, it dries off quite similar to the packaging itself, but the rest of it, this color is I guess quite spot on, but the rest of it kind of dries a little bit darker as compared to what's shown from on the packaging itself. First impression wise, these are really, other than this purple shade this is what number? This is number 40, Believer. Sorry, I'm not a believer of you, number 40. The rest of the colors, the other 7 colors, the other 7 shades are absolutely amazing. wearing. Formula-wise, it's great, easy to apply, smooth, also pigmented, not patchy, and I think these are amazing liquid lipsticks for people who are liquid lipsticks dummy, people like me. One of the easiest to apply so far that I've tried. So let me name out all the colors that I have. This is 05 Loyalist. This is number 10 Dreamer. I have number 15 Lover. Number 20 Pioneer. 30 is Romantic. This is the super bright pink one. 40 Believer, the one that I don't like. 45 Escapist, the super dark purple. And number 50 Voyage, one of my favorite. I quite like this one very much. Alrighty, so now it's time for the giveaway. I have one more set of these, all 8 shades. I'm gonna count 2, 4, 6. Yeah, I have all 8 shades to give away to one particular winner. All you got to do is check out my description below and find out how to win yourself one whole set of this. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!